Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw IRA funds for first-time home purchase, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw IRA funds for your first home purchase, start by understanding the eligibility criteria. You must be a first-time homebuyer, which means you haven't owned a home in the last 2 years. Determine whether you have a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, as the rules differ slightly between the two. If you have a traditional IRA, you can withdraw up to $10,000 penalty-free if the funds are used for a first home purchase. To qualify for the $10,000 limit, you must be a first-time buyer or use the funds for your spouse, child, or parent's first home. For a Roth IRA, you can also withdraw up to $10,000 tax and penalty-free for a first home purchase, provided the account has been open for at least 5 years. Gather all necessary documentation, including proof of your first-time buyer status, such as a signed purchase agreement or a letter from the seller. Contact your IRA custodian to request a distribution form. Fill out the form accurately, specifying the amount you wish to withdraw and the purpose of the withdrawal. Submit the completed form along with any required documentation to your IRA custodian. Once processed, the custodian will transfer the funds to you, either via check or direct deposit. Plan to use the withdrawn funds within 120 days toward the purchase of the home to avoid penalties. Ensure you keep records of your transaction and any related documents for tax purposes. Consult a tax advisor to understand any tax implications and to ensure compliance with tax laws. Review your budget and financial plan, factoring in the costs associated with purchasing a home, such as down payment, closing costs, and ongoing expenses. Proceed with your home purchase, using the withdrawn IRA funds in a timely manner to secure your new home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.